Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the tanning beds at Planet Fitness. So let's see how you can just do it, but before, let's know who can actually use these tanning beds at Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness also requires that you can actually you can tan at Planet Fitness if you have a black card membership. So Planet Fitness also requires members to be 18 or older to use their tanning beds. Tanning bed is limited for black card members, but their policies is that you cannot tan more than once every 24 hours. Some location may have additional rules or restrictions, so be sure to ask your local gym for details. Now let's back into the topic, how you can actually use them. So be a black card member. So if you are a black card member, then you can check in at the front desk. So there will be at least one key tag scanners at the front desk. So touchless check-in, just hold your phone up to the scanner until you hear a beep, which means you are all set. So if you run into any issue, ask a front desk member to scan your key tag or give them your phone number so they can log you in manually. So and availability that varies based on each gym's hours operation. If your Planet Fitness location is open and with staff presence, you can use the tanning beds. Now, second is tell one of the front desk staff members that you want to tan. So the staff member may ask to scan your key tag a time to log you in for a tanning session. If there is no one in the front desk, just wait and someone should be with you shortly. You have to speak with a staff member before being able to access the tanning bed. Now, choose the type of tanning bed. Choose the type of bed you want and how long you want to use it. So there is two type of tanning bed. One is stand up and another is lay down or hybrid. So for example, if you might say I'd like to use the stand-up tanning for 5 minutes, or I'd like to use the lay-down tanning bed for 10 minutes. So how long should you tan per session? If this is your first tanning session, go with 5 minutes max. You can go higher once you know how your body responds. Keep in mind that 10 minutes in a tanning bed is equivalent to about 2 hours in the sun. Go to your assigned tanning booth, take off your clothes and get in. Typically, you will have 3 to 5 minutes to prepare before the tanning bed turns on. Although some location may allow you to set the timer yourself. Take off your clothes and jewelry, put on your tanning goggles and get into the tanning bed. You will either lay down or stand up. It's depend on you, and if you are using any kind of tanning lotion or oil, then apply that before you get in. A Planet Fitness staff member will ask to see your tanning goggles before you use the bed. Eye protection is required for your safety. If you don't have the proper eye wear, most Planet Fitness location will tell you what you need. Use the tanning beds naked for a full coverage tan, or wear a swimsuit if you prefer. Then wipe down the bed before you leave to sanitize it if required. So you should focus on the hygiene, and if you are sweating, then you should actually clean this bed from here. So just like this, you can just enjoy your tanning. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.